Alright, about 30 degrees out. 4 or 5 inches of snow in the woods here. Not too bright. This is really deep, probably a foot or more. I got a horseshoe spill. Pair of horseshoes. Better than a shotgun shell, I suppose. Not bad. On to the next. Not too bad today, 35. Still got like 3 or 4 inches of snow on the ground though. Makes it kind of tough. It's a good find. Yeah, maybe like 3 inches down. Big old musket ball. Hit something solid. It's flat on one side. That's always a good indicator of age. This is definitely an old spot. Could be good. On to the next. Alright, this is a toughie. Lots of bushes and sticks and trees in the way. Fairly deep too, 5-6 inches down. I don't know if you can see that or not. 1864. Indian head scent. Not too bad, I don't know. Everything in this spot tends to flake. Anything that's brass or copper. It doesn't look that bad though. Good find. On to the next. Alright, 65 degrees and sunny in April. Finally got some decent weather. And you know where I am. This is a interesting spot. I've been finding a lot of car parts. I believe it's from a 1922 Ford. I don't know if it's a Model A, Model T, I can't remember. But I dug up a whole bunch of parts here so far. Most of them are trash, but this little headlight bucket is copper, I guess. Might be able to clean that up. Might be salvageable. Looks like we got window trim too that might be salvageable. Maybe you could re-chrome it or something. Well, you never know. Something to do. On to the next. Okay, I got a cellar hole back there. And I'm kind of buried in all the down trees here. You can see. Really ugly. But about 4 or 5 inches down, I got a really good signal, an 80 signal. Knew it had to be pretty good. And it is. Colonial shoe buckle. It's a little bent, and I did nick it a little bit. Very nice find, huh? Done this cellar hole many times. I can't believe I missed this. Been here at least 20 times. Someday I'm going to come back with a chainsaw and get rid of all these tree limbs, I think. Probably a lot more treasure underneath all the trees. Yeah, we'll find out. Let's get some more. Alright, there's a stone wall in the distance. And I was playing around here with all these boulders. Got a, I think it was an 80 signal. Very deep. 6 inches, 7 inches. Not sure. Either a dandy button or a coin. Probably a dandy button. But you never know. It's really crusty. I don't want to bang it off. I'll have to soak it in water or something. Soften it up. I don't know of any copper coins that are this large, so I'm gonna go with the dandy button. Either way, it's a very good find. Let's get some more. Alright, I just got that dandy button or a coin, whatever the heck it was. And these boulders back here. Another good signal, high 70s. 4 or 5 inches down. Tongue in shape. 1700's Colonial shoe buckle. I just got a frame a few days ago. A shoe buckle frame. I don't know if it matches this. It'd be very interesting. It's probably a good 100 feet away from this. That would be pretty wild if this fit inside. Either way, it's a great find. Always nice to find something from the 1700s. On to the next. Alright, right next to this boulder I got a nice 87 signal. Of course it's under the roots. 6-7 inches down. Not a coin, but I believe it's a saddle shield. Sometimes they have a nice design, sometimes they're plain. I can't tell. I'm not going to rub it right now. Yeah, it's a very nice find. Don't think I ever got one before. Can't remember. I'll clean it up and let you know what it looks like. On to the next. Alright, in my backyard again, so you know what that means. I didn't shoot a video for an iron relic. Turned out to be the best find of the month. It's a probably 1790's Flintlock mechanism. I had no idea what it was. It was really cruddy. I put on TreasureNet and they said it was a Flintlock mechanism. And I cleaned it up with electrolysis and evaporust. Came out pretty good actually. Not bad at all. Best find of the month by a mile. Someday I'll learn to take videos of these crusty iron relics, I guess. Oh well. Great find. On to the next.